Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss a little bit more about real-time wallboards, specifically that of the image widget. Over here on the left-hand side, click on Real-Time Wallboards. I can add it to an existing wallboard that exists here as a template, or I can go click New Wallboard, which we're going to do on this tutorial. Click Custom, and let's put this image in there as a title. Name whatever you want. Click Apply. The right-hand side, 6 from the top, there's an image widget. Click on the image widget. It's going to produce this option on the right-hand side. You can either browse the files to this or drag and drop it. I'm going to go and click Browse Files. I'm going to select a Xima logo here and open it. I can size that as I want. The most common use case for this particular widget is going to be that of branding, as I've shown you here. If I want to add a Xima logo to my wallboard display when I present this in the contact center, I certainly can do so. There have been others that have used this widget to add other decorative pictures on their wallboard, also an option. All the same, this is the image widget and what it's used for.